See me here, guys. See me here. Trust me, I don't think this here is no longer waistlands. Alright, guys, it's no longer waistland. The 3 to 4 inches, guys, is just a lot. No, tell me why you never tell me about this. A natural hair salon just for natural hair people, like people who really know how to take care of natural hair. If you are a person out there that can do hair, that is a business idea for you. I definitely will be coming, but would I go back to the hair salon, guys?
Me and this year I go war too.
Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and as you can see by the title of this video, my hair salon experience. Now, for those who haven't been watching the videos, I haven't been to the salon for 2 years or 2.5 years now, something towards that, but I know that it's more than a year now. All right, so I decided to get the salon experience one more time, and for those who haven't watched it live, go ahead and watch it live. I wouldn't go over everything. All right, guys, let me begin, guys. First of all, you know what, let me pull it out because let me show you what is going on here. Let me pull this out here. Alright, first of all, does this look like a waist length here? It doesn't look like a waist length here any at all, don't it? It's because I believe I lost about 3 or 4 inches, guys, after that experience. No, not saying that my hairdresser is bad. She's an excellent, like out of 100%, she's like 200% good at what she does. But the thing is, if you are taking care of your natural hair and you know what your natural hair needs and what you don't want to include in your natural hair, etc., you have the experience of taking care of your own hair for 2 years or more, or a long time, because as I said, I've been doing the previous hairstyle for at least 9 to 10 years now, because my daughter, look here, no more backstories, for a long time. All right, no, as I said, she's good at what she does, but I believe that Jamaica should have like what do you call it now, a natural hair salon just for natural hair people, like people who really know how to take care of natural hair and stuff like that. So let's say, for example, in every town, in the town of Ocherius, in the town of St. Anne's Bay, in the town of Brownstone, wherever you live, there is a natural hair salon. Now, if you are a person out there that can do hair, that is a business idea for you. I definitely will be coming if you're that good. All right, think about it. So if you go to a natural hair salon, they would know how to take care of your hair, know how to pull it out without breaking it off, know how to stretch your hair without using a lot of heat to your hair, etc. So think about, guys, for a business idea. If I could do hair, definitely I would try and seek out that opportunity, but I can't even twist to save my life. That is why I went to the salon. But anyways, nevertheless, as you can see, it's done well, guys. And the reason it has been 1 week, let me just say, just 1 week update. As you can see like the little hairs coming up. That's because I've been treating my hair throughout the time. I'm not sacrificing my hair for nothing. So usually before, I didn't used to take care of my hair. I would just let my hair stay for 2 weeks without moisturizing it, without oiling it, without nothing, because I want that straight, clean, nice look hair salon look for 2 weeks. All right, but now that I'm trying to grow my hair, I definitely try to include everything that I need to include to keep my hair moist and not dried out. So by the end of this hairstyle, when I'm ready to take it out, it's not breaking off or breaking up and not falling out. So I definitely been moisturizing, adding my hair products just the same, not trying to sacrifice anything. So that is why you see like these little hairs coming up after 1 week, and I'm definitely going to continue. The thing is with me, I don't like to tell persons how to do my hair. For example, if I go to the hair salon, I don't like to tell a person how to do my hair, or sometimes I get nervous because I don't want them to say, for example, if I'm painting, don't want somebody who cannot paint to tell me how to paint. You understand? So if I go to a hair salon, I don't want to tell the hair salon person what to do because she's the one who knows everything. But bear in mind, you know, natural hair is different from cream hair. Braided hair is different from natural hair. Wigs are different from natural hair. All those, everything needs a different treatment. So if you're going to a hair salon person who does not have natural hair and does not really understand how to take care of natural hair to that extent, yes, it's going to be a problem. So I don't like to tell people what to do. So I went ahead and I sat down and I got my hair. But first of all, let me tell you the experience, guys. Let me tell you the experience. So when I went to the hair salon person told me to come at 3. No, I told her that I was coming at 3. So I did reach there early, about 15 to 20 minutes before 3 o'clock, so I can pull my hair down, comb it out. As you can see the live, guys, for those who were watching the live, you can see that I went through all the processes, twist and watch the live. Alright, so I did all of that, and when I went there, guess who for hair did not up now? Guess who for hair did not up now? I told you guys, no matter how me comb out my hair, it's gonna get knotted up, no matter what me do, no matter what me do. Only thing that would prevent my hair from knotting up is by blow drying it, straighten it out. And as I said, I don't want to use it. I have been using it for 2 years or 2.5 years now. All right, so so I went there and take down my hair, trying to comb it out, couldn't comb it out. So I did part of my hair. I think I recorded that part, so I will include it in this video here. So the twisted part there is what I combed out, and the other part I got fed up. So I twist up that part that I combed out, and the other part was giving me a headache, so I decided to just leave that for the hairdresser. So just comb it out. I don't know why I was thinking that she probably would have known how to pull out natural hair, or she would do it well enough because she's seen what is happening. But anyways, that's a next story for a next time. But anyways, so I started to pull out my hair, comb it out, and I decided to wait on the hairdresser. Anyway, she started at about 3:30, 3:45 there about. I'll put the time there because I remember I texted my husband and tell him that I just started to do my hair, because remember, I'm a married person, I have to inform him that I am going to be late because of this blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna put the time stamp on the video here to tell you when she started. But anyways, I understand that sometimes they say come at 3 because they know they're going to finish the other year by 3:30. I think you're going to be late, so they tell you a time and then agree with the time that you have, because they know that probably you're going to be late or they're going to be late. All right, so I started my hair about 3:30, 3:45, and then she was combing out my hair and stuff like that, pulling out the twist that I did and pulling out my hair and stuff like that. When she was combing out my hair, she realizes that, wait a minute, it's not coming out. So she decided to pull out the hair dryer, but I wasn't focusing at that point. I didn't know that she was going to blow dry it. I didn't know, as I was saying, I didn't know. I just heard the blow dry. I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to message her on WhatsApp that I do not want my hair to be blow dried. I just want it to be twist and not too big. Now guys, I mentioned not too big, but then again, and I even showed her the type of twist that I wanted in the WhatsApp message, and it's like it. But then again, even though I told her not too big, I thought she was going to just go a little bit above, a little bit bigger than the picture that I showed her, because I said not too big, no, not too small. I said not too small. Yes, I said not too small. So I thought she was going to go a little bit bigger than the one that I showed her on the photograph. But anyways, it's exactly like the photograph. I'm gonna insert the photograph so you can be the judge. So I'm gonna insert it here, guys. All right, but anyways, so I said not too small. So I even showed her like I want 3 at the back, That's the size that I want, 3 at the back, because originally I had 2 at the back, so I decided to just make it a little bit smaller. So this is the size, guys. So this is the size that I told her that I want, right? And she should just follow up with the same size. But now looking at it, this size is really similar to every other size here. So she's not the one to be blamed for that. I should have told her that I wanted just a slight bigger, all right, as she goes up. I thought that is what she would have done, but anyways, that's not her fault. I should have explained a little bit more, show her a size, bring a twist size or something to show her our picture or something. But anyways, after she turned on the blow dry, I'm like, oh my god, I didn't tell her that I didn't want my hair to be blow dried. So I end up just taking it. I ended up just sitting down and taking the blow drying. Alright, I just took the blow drying. I'm saying, alright, probably it's gonna be easier for her to deal with my hair. And I just said, fine, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's not gonna break off too much, alright? So I sat there and took the blow drying, right? Then while she was blow drying my hair, I realized that she really didn't stop to pull out any knots like I would have done. So that was another thing. But by the time she's finished blow drying my hair and everything, I can tell you that about 3 to 4 inches of my hair was on the ground, because she didn't stop to pull out my hair like how I would have done my hair. Alright guys, so all of that trying to grow my hair is now down the drain. I have to restart, guys. After this hairstyle, I definitely would have to restart, because trust me, I don't think this hair is no longer waist length. Alright guys, it's no waist length. 3 to 4 inches, guys, is just a lot. But anyways, another thing that I realized that I am now tender headed. As I mentioned before, I was the one taking care of my hair, so therefore I would take my precious time and take down the twist and not pull the hair from my scalp. But when the hair just start, see me here, guys, see me here, I saw me here tender. I'm not the one to be squinching up like that when it meant Jesus. I don't remember if you no, I think I took that video down, or it's in the other video, I don't remember, but I mentioned something that I remember when my grandmother told me that if it's not nice when she comb my hair, and you see, she tell me that from a younger I don't squint when people are comb my hair, you understand? So if you know experience that same thing, or she pull me and I pull out the knot, she not take her time pull out the knot, you know, she just pull me and I take out the knot them. Oh my god, all my ends are gone, guys, believe it or not. But I'm not saying she's a good hairdresser, she's just not the one to be patient as I would have been patient. So as I was saying, guys, if you can do hair, natural hair salon, you advertise. Look here, this is a business for you guys, because most Jamaicans are going natural, because cream hair, cream, it damages your hair. For persons who are being more cautious about their hair, natural hair salons, look, open up. A time for no open up now. So one business idea, right? Yes, so. And definitely would have been more expensive for a natural hair salon, you know, because look at this, you have to take your time and pull out the knots and stuff like that, you know. You have to take your time, take down the hair and stuff like that, and it would have taken up a lot more time than the regular hairdressers. So definitely you would have probably charged a little bit more. And not to mention, if you're adding braid to your hair in a just a regular salon, it will cost a lot for probably a butt length hair and or a back length hair or stuff like that. So it probably work out to the same thing, because you're taking your precious time and you're taking down the hair. So the same, just like how you would take your time to plait and add in the braids each time, adding the braids each time, and it took a lot of time, took a lot of energy, it would be the same thing for the natural hair, because you're taking your time, taking out the knots and stuff like that. So yes, it would basically cost the same thing as braids and stuff like that, are close, similar price, because if your hair is longer, it's gonna take a lot more time. But if it's short, like right here, so you're just starting your hair journey and it's short like that, obviously that is not gonna cost as much. But anyways, about 3 or 4 inches on the ground. All right, so when she blow dry my hair, I wanted her to video, but I was too shy to tell her that really the back of my hair, so I could see the length when she was straightening my hair out. So, and again, a footage of that, but I did get some footage I'm going to add to this video here. All right, guys. After she blow dried my hair, I don't know what she realized what was happening. She did explain to one of the other hairdressers that was there why she added like liquid to it. What type of liquid was it? I think it was water or some kind of liquid form. So when she added that liquid form back into my hair started to curl up again. So I'm like, what was the point of blow drying the hair and then she add back the liquid to it and then twist? So I don't know, but that's what happened. All right, so she twist my hair. As I said, she didn't pull out any of the knots. She just comb it out, pop it out, and break it off and twist my hair. So I lost a lot of inches. When she was done, it was looking good. I thought it would have been more puffy or something like that. I don't know why. I think it would have been a little bit more puffy, but it was excellent. I loved it, but I just knew that 3 to 4 inches of my hair was gone. All right, so when I was in the supermarket, so I went supermarket shopping after that, a girl actually turned back and asked if that is my real hair, because me I tell you, when me hair just don't do fresh out of the salon, people think I false hair. So she turned back and asked if I'm a real hair. I say yes, it's my real hair, because remember, no, me just come out of the hair salon, and the liquid what she put in there or whatever she put in there to hold down the hair, it was a bit longer. All right, but eventually as everything starts to dry out, it started to shrink again.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air.
So yes, it's my real hair, and it's actually waist length, guys. But now that I've gone to the hair salon and I lost about 3 to 4 inches, so I don't think it's waist length anymore. But anyways, join the hair journey, guys. I am going to grow back my hair. Stay tuned for that. So let me just show you how the hair looks up. Oh, I did take a video, so I'm going to insert it. Okay. All right. So this is how my hair looks now. It's 1 week. It's very light. It doesn't look like waist length, obviously. This is it. All right, so it's very nice. It's doing its thing. But would I go back to the hair salon, guys? It depends on what hairstyle I'm going to do. If I'm gonna do like then again, I remember one time I was doing crochet and they didn't try to part the hair evenly. They didn't try to part the hair. They just push the thing in there, and even if your natural hair was itch on it, it just itch on it and go on, and then they just put the crochet on it. Alright, I would go back to the salon if I'm confident enough to tell them how I want it, etc. Specifically how I want it. Alright, so I would pay for the extra time for them to use their hand and pull out the knots and stuff like that. That's the only way I would go back to the hair salon, guys. But other than that, I don't think I would be going back to the hair salon for a good time until I grow back my hair again. So stay tuned for my journey and you guys will see that. Oh, no elastic band, it's just plait and twist. And would I keep this part? No, I'm not going to keep this part. I'm going to definitely put 2 into 2, 2 into 2, or 3 into 2, depending and how it feels, and just retwist it whenever I'm pulling out this here. I'm probably bigger than that because honestly I don't have the time to be twisting so many small twists. So definitely I would have to put some twist into twist and make some big twists. And as you see the live, guys, I really like those big twists, so I'm thinking about that afterwards. So stay tuned. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm wearing my brand. It's Artwork Fly, all things art. So I will show you all my services on the screen. So if you need anything, just contact me by that number. Yes, guys, back to business. So as I mentioned, I have been continuously oiling my hair and moisturizing my hair. All right, guys, so this is what I've been using. I use this to wet it up, guys. Everybody's supposed to know this. Look here, I'm not reading it back over. Here it is. If you don't know what this is, go and watch my products video. You will see what it is. So I definitely been moisturizing, or yes, moisturizing and oiling my roots and also my ends. So what I do is to soak the hair in this thing right here. All right, I soak it in there, well drenched, guys. I don't want any breakage after this hairstyle. I'm not trying to sacrifice my hair. I just wanted to experience this hair salon experience one more time, and just to see whether or not I like it, or should I go back, or you know, just to get the experience for the experience. All right. So without the experience, you lack wisdom, you lack knowledge. All right. So I soak it, I drench it, not drench as yet. I should put some at the back. All right, so I drench it with that. Rub it in. All right, drenched. Yes, very drenched. All right. And as you can hear, I still have the flu on me. That is why I didn't post any video last week. No, tell me why you never tell me about this. Tell me why you never tell me about me. You know, you're no bad mind. You know, you don't like me. You don't like me at all. But anyways, people out there, oh my god, this is so shiny, guys. Oh my god, why you never tell me about this? When you use this, it lasts for at least 2 weeks. This would last for like 3 to 4 days, but this one, 1 week to 2 weeks, guys. Sheen, stand up. The sheen, stand up. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it in here. Yeah. So everybody knows how to mix this by now. So I'm gonna put it in here, mix it around, and then use it as is. Yeah, see there. And then I'm going to put it in my hair. So I'm putting it on the roots like that, then put some on the ends like that. You can also use your leave-in conditioner if you want. All right, so I recommend using the leave-in conditioner before bedtime, so you wake up back with your hair still, you know, moist. You still feel that softness in your hair when you wake up. So put it before bedtime, your leave-in conditioner, wrap up your hair. And not to mention, when you wrap up your hair using the leave-in conditioner, you have that curl, that natural curl when you pull out your hair. All right, so you can do that, guys. So this is it, and this is how I keep my hair. That's how I keep this hair salon look, guys. I'm not trying to dry out my hair or break off my hair. Usually I would, as I said, 2 weeks without oiling it, moisturizing it, because I want to keep that fresh look, but no longer will I be doing that. All right, so this is it, guys. And of course I will definitely protect the ends. Oh, by the way, guys, these are my pets, all my betta fish. You have rainbow, you have pink, you have another one and another one. All right, those are my pets. I can't take care of a real one, guys. And real ones are expensive, not to mention. So if them dead, all their money gone down the drain. Alright, so that's it. Alright guys, so that was my hair salon experience. If you have any questions, please ensure to comment down below and I will try my best to answer your questions. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Birds will fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.